Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set full screen gesture on Samsung mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that, here you are going to find display option. Okay, so move on display. Then from here you have to scroll on the down. Then you're right now you're going to find the navigation bar, so click on navigation bar. When you move on navigation bar, you're going to find two options. The first option is the button and the second option is the swipe gesture. So you want to set the swipe gesture, right? So click on the second option, and here the button navigation will be removed and the swipe gesture will be activated. Okay, so it has been activated. So if you want to click the back button, you just need to swipe like this. Okay, just swipe on the side like this. Wait, have to swipe like this. Okay, so if you want to click the home button, you just swipe up. Suppose I play the Play Store and swipe up like this. Okay, if you want to click the home button. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.